ni schemes ya kuiba pesa. Hiyo pesa milioni 100 ikipewa chief saa hizi tu ile allowance ya AI. Kwa ile kazi chiefs wanafanya saa hizi wakiongelezwa AI kidogo tu hivi kazi itasonga mbele. Ama namna gani? Mnataka tufanye hii scheme ya racket ya wizi. Niende niseme saa hizi kwa Nairobi tuweke pesa kwa ofisi ya waziri ndio apikane na pombe, sijui nini. Hapana. This issue will be sorted if we continue institutionalized fight against alcohol and drug abuse. Kwa wapi? Kwa ground. Lakini hiyo scheme zingine watu wasijifanya ati we were there, my friend. We know. Let's do our job. Tumesikizana? Let's do our job. And when we say this, we are serious. Chief, OCS, public officers who are here, you know that I get intelligence report. And those reports can detail the mambo ya drugs kwa Laikipia. Tungekuwa tumefanya vizuri, lakini chief fulani anasaidiana na polisi fulani na watu wa KEBS fulani na watu wa wapi. From there we will do investigation, utakwenda nyumbani. So do your job. Don't wait until somebody is around. If I come to your place where a report is given, even if I read reports kwa news kwamba kuna watu 50 wamekufa kwa kona fulani kwa sababu ya pombe, I will not worry about anybody else. I'll come for the chief and the OCS because inamaanisha pombe imekuwa ikiuzwa hapo in out ni saa hizi tu ndio wakati imeua mtu. So don't wait mpaka disaster itokee and make us to take action. Do your job. And I've used pombe as an example. It could be other levels of crimes that are affecting you. Mumesema mambo ya banditry. I agree. I totally agree. In our report it's very clear. Mumenisikia mara mingi nikiwa Isiolo, nikiwa the other counties. Operation Maliza Uhalifu imesaidia kumaliza uhalifu in many places in Kerio Valley, banditry. Lakini mahali ambapo hatuchaweza vizuri ni Samburu East and around this Mukokodo forest and that Malaso Valley, that place. Why? There are factors that are perpetuating. Number one, we need a more focused, tushakubaliana na IG, we need a more focused operation on that area alone. Sio ya kuunganishwa from here mpaka Kainuk, hiyo area peke yake. Number two, we need to deal with infrastructure. Au wabunge wamekuja mara mingi. Mukokodo forest it is what it is because it's not accessible. Yeah. Oldanyiro huko ndani is not accessible kwa sababu ya barabara. Hiyo Malaso Valley huko. Yeah, Orjicho, those areas they have access problems. What we have done is to make a proposal to Ministry of Roads to give us resources peke yake ya ku-access Tiaty constituency na ku-access Samburu East, including that Mukokodo forest. So we are working on the resources to open up that place. But even as we do so, we have agreed with IG that in this week, within the next 1 week, Apo Seku must have a formed up unit established in Apo Seku and Orjicho. Hiyo tumekubaliana Seku, Orjicho, and we have been told also Nadumoro. Andumoro. Nandumoro. Nadumoro ama Nandumoro? Nadumoro. Those three places. But quickly Seku na Orjicho, then Nadumoro. Seki. That place, within the next 1 week, we must have a formed up unit. We are doing a new command ya Operation Maliza Uhalifu 2 hapa kwa Kirimon. Lakini hiyo process imechukua time. Itaenda kuisha karibuni, but the formed up unit must go there. IG, even as we start the recruitment this coming month, please, tafuta strength ya officers kidogo, ongeza those areas, especially in Samburu North, where there are weakness in terms of numbers, especially Laikipia North, Doldol, and so places in this Laikipia North, please, so that you can help these officers to be able to do the job they need to do. Kidogo tuko na shida kidogo ya strength. Yeah, kwa sababu tujagroot for 3 years. But the president has given us the authority, and this month of August, we will start recruitment process In 9 months, our strength should have been improved, but we will make sure that is done kwa hiyo sehemu hiyo. Hiyo area inatupatia ugonjwa. Na we will also work with the local leaders, mtupatie the exact place. Bwana County Commissioner, work on the specific areas with the local leaders, that is includes chiefs, assistant chiefs, and then the elected leaders. Give us the areas you want us to increase the NPR. We will increase the NPR where they want to go, and we will see how to improve the training. Part of the reason why I want to meet with the conservancies, yenye hizi conservancies yenye nafanya hapa Lewa, Olmoran, Loisaba, hizo conservancies, plus the other ones, is because they are also doing a very good job. Huyu Dan alinienda kunionyesha what they are doing, the equipment they have, vile they are organized, they are a bit more supported. So I went to Loisaba to see it, and I just wanted to see how the NPR works there, which are their rangers. I think we can leverage on a partnership between us and the conservancies. And it is important that IG, even where they can help us, we can work with them wherever it's possible for further training and sharing of resources to support this NPR to end Mbele. And I spoke to the Loisaba guy who is the chair of the team, and I spoke to Tom, and when we have the meeting, I think they are willing to give us some support in one way. The way they have been doing some support, they are willing to give us some support to see how we'll work together with our NPR to build capacity. And I think that is something that if we do, we will sort out the problem of that area. On the question of your welfare, wacha nianze kwa kusema, starting with the police officers, we have agreed that, by the way, Honorable Kabaro amesema police station yake ni ya 1941. I don't know what percentage, but I know more than 60% of the police stations are colonial. More than 60% of the police stations are colonial. Si nyinyi mmefanya kazi kila mahali, nyinyi police officers. Si mmezunguka many places. Si police stations zote ninafanana? Except the few yenye imejengwa na CDF, all the police stations in the country inafanana. So the question I asked myself the other day, and I am guilty. I don't want to look like I am a clean man. You see, until I became the Minister of Interior, I was minister for another 2 years. Before I came here, I was a minister for 2 and something years. Before I became Minister of Interior, I could not even see a police station. You know the way you are within it, but you are not seeing. Maybe because ijafungiwa moja. But even in the locality, I never saw my local police station, yani properly. So juzi nimeenda the next ward too. The next 2 wards for church service, and then thereafter I visited the other police station. Nilipata pathetic police station. That is in my place. Pata hii iko na room mbili. Room moja ni ya chief, room moja ni ya OCS. Ya chief wameweka chuma kwa ground. Ndio pingu a suspect akipatikana anafungiwa pingu akae hapo, chief akifanya paperwork yake anapigia kelele chief kama amekaa hapo. And I'm serious. That is home. I went to the next police station in 1959 thereabout, ni Ambao. Yeah, ni Ambao. Na ni mahali kabisa tunajifanya kabisa. Lakini in that place there is a TTI, there are colleges, there is a high school, there are government projects, there is county government offices, there is a new build hospital. But since 1963, hakuna mtu aliona kwa macho yake kwamba 10 million ama 20 million can be set aside to build a police station. I think this is an indictment on all of us, including Kaparo. Because alikuwa speaker. Sa alikuwa anaona hiyo police station yake ama aje? Yeah, we are all indicted. It's an indictment on all of us. And that's why I'm saying it's not him alone, even me. Yeah, hata IG niseme yako. Yeah, huyu ya IG. Tulipopiga story jana akaniambia, kuna kangine penye baba yangu tu anaishi hapo. Akanionyesha picha akaniambia, wacha tu nitafute mtu niharakishe, hii watu watanicheka. Unaona sasa IG karibu aende nyumbani na police station mbaya. Na amekuwa police kwa miaka ngapi? So there is a problem in Kenya There is generally a problem in Kenya. Mimi sitaki kuongea kuhusu wadozi wengine. Sijui huku jua bana. Wacha tu nikae hapa. Lakini enda fanyeni own research. Jana we agreed with IG jana. All the OCSs, I don't know kama mmepata information. All the OCSs wachukue picha ya police station yao na watume. Mmepata hiyo signal? Yeah, so we want to have all those pictures. Na niweke vizuri na presentation nionyeshe hao wadosi, wabunge. Alafu tuulizane maswali. Tumeshindwa na 1,200 police stations to build, which is less than 2 billion. In the entire period, yeah, all that time. Tumeshindwa na those 2 police stations. I promise you, under the next 2 years, we will make sure that at least half of the police stations are built afresh. That is our plan. And I will nitalete shida huko mbele. Penye pesa iko na nini? Nitapambana nayo. We cannot live like this. Thankfully, the IG amefanya designs ya standard police station. Sasa it is up to us to allocate resources. The next 2 years, we should at least clean half of the police stations. Ikuwe a proper police station with a proper cell, with a proper office, 3 cells, 4 cells at least. Cell ya watoto female na cell ya watoto male. Cell ya male adults and cell ya female. Niliona IG ameweka hata ya transgender huko ndani. Sijui transgender ni nini, tutajua kwa hiyo design, lakini iwekwe, si ndio? Hiyo ni sawa? Iwekwe namna hiyo kwanza, so that as we see what we need to do. Tumeelewana mpaka hapo? We want to build good police stations, and I promise you we will work on that. On your other welfare, we have had AIE, we have had mambo ya allowances, mambo hiyo ingine ya food supply rationing for the police officers. We will work on that. For the chiefs and assistant chiefs, tulifika hapa also, most of you have not gone for training. Mumekaa tu forever. So, tumesema, beginning this month, 1,200. Was it 1,200? 1,000? Yeah, the first code ni 1,000 police officers. The chiefs and assistant chiefs wanaenda ku training huko Kiganjo. Embakasi. Wanaenda training, mujue kupika hata salute, you know? Hata kushika bunduki hii, mnaomba hii bunduki hata ujue vile inashikwa aje, kidogo ukimbie kidogo. Na tumesema ni vizuri. Because niliona uliambiwa officer salute, wengine walikuwa wanafanya hivi. So we need to make sure that is sorted. We also want to make sure that you are promoted after that. So we will do the training, promotion. But I've also told the team yenye inaenda saizi, it includes 200 who are above which age? 57 years and above, 210 wataenda hii mwezi. Ndio wenye wanaenda kuretire, at least waretire na kakitu juu yake, wakiendanga kuenda nyumbani. Sio ni mzuri vile tunafanya? I don't want to be the Michuki mulisema, lakini I want to do the job. I want to help you to progress your training, your promotions, and then we move forward. Hata hii uniform tumesema, hii uniform iletwe kwa county. Yeah, mchukulie county. Na mtu apimiwe uniform yenye inamtosha. Ama namna gani? Kuna county nilienda, sitaki kwenda wapi, kuna chief alikuwa amevaa longi. So I was wondering, is it longi ama ni marinda? Is he a man or a woman? Because longi yenyewe ilikuwa, longi ndio ilikuwa imevaa chief. Nikauliza chief, nikamwambia chief, sasa wewe hii longi chief